Kalugrang mga batad, ingasal pantayanan, magrasyang Pasko po, kaya kayungan, I wish you good health, good wealth, peace, love, and unity in all our families. Kanito pong aldoning kapaskuan at inyang Christmas message kaya katao, ang kalaguran tamong Arsobispo, Yapong Setu. Pakamalan kong kabatad, king kasal pantayanan, king ginotamong Jesucristo. Pasko na, dinatang na yung Gino, tumula tamo at magsaya, ulingin Diyos, meging Emmanuel. Tumula tamo at magsaya, uling kaya beta Jesus. He is with us, He is at home, and He will never leave us. Anting sinabi na, kaya beyo ko ang gaman king kapupusan ning panahon. Ing Diyos menuknangan niya, may gisawit siya pusang tao. Maging kalupatayan in all things except sin, to be with us forever. Makasikanlo, makalako takot. Uligin Diyos, Emmanuel, God with us, will always be with us. Makatakot po in Kabilyan, dareng kabatad tamo Kiniligan City and Cagayan de Oro. Dakal kanila, may nga matelang asawa daw. Dengaliwa, denganak daw. Paskong paldas, uling alayo'y tatangda. Meteyo'y madaw. Alalo rin anak daw. Alalo rin kapatad. Paskong malungkot. At sula ka rin evacuation area. Nung lugarin. Marano. Alang kasiguraduan. But there will be Christmas. Karing kapatad tamo Kiniligan City at CDO. Uling panagkat ng Apong Setu. Meto nga second collection bilang regalo tamo para karing kapatad tamo Kiniligan and CDO. Metong karing makaibiyasi ka ng lo kin metong nga tao is the thought and the fact na iya magdilidili. E tamo magdilidili kaya beta Jesus, kaya be asawa mo, kaya be mo ring pengari mo, kaya be mo ring anak mo, kaya be mo ring kapatid mo. God is with us. My dear brothers and sisters, nga napining Salmo 23, inginuyang pastol ko, nano pang kailangan ko. Daralan ako, karing dikutan na manhabong, karing bati sa malino. Even though I walk in the valley of darkness, I fear no evil, for you are with me. My dear brothers and sisters, God is with us, and let us be with one another. Nung ating meto makasaya, karing pamibiyabiyata mo, lalong-lalo na ngayong Pasko, is the presence and the gift of presence of each and every one of us. Mi pabanalan tamo, kim presensya na ning metong at metong. Mi pamatulan tamo, our faces lighted up because of the presence of one another, because of the love and care of our parents. E manyaman yung ating kang kakaunan ngayong Pasko, they feel so good when you hug and kiss them. Ika yung miyasawa, e muunan, nunay metong at metong kaya beme, welcome ka rin balikbayan tao, kaya beyo rin pamilya yun. Iting tula miya biyayang mumuna, karing pastol king maramle, amagbante karing tupara, ngayon Paskong iti, tamo sa sarili na ning tula at kalam ning Pasko. While we enjoy a sumptuous meal, at tamong hamon, linaga, salad king lamesa, let us remember our brothers and sisters in Iligan and CDO. May be karelang Pasko, Paskong sardinas, Paskong Payless. Maybe not only for a day, but for months. In karelang pamangan, sardinas, ampong, Payless o nano pamang noodles. E tayo sana sa sarilinan, ing tula at kalam ning Pasko. While we enjoy the presence of one another, let us remember that ang dakalawlila, uling kematen lang asawa anak pengari, ampong kapatid. While we enjoy the comfort of our home, let us remember the homeless, deng dakala makatop na, karin king evacuation center. Nung karin very uncomfortable and inconvenient in bien, alang privacy, uling at sulat king evacuation center. And while we celebrate the poverty and the lack of so many people, let our minds bring us back to the first Christmas. Nung rin lang luho, it was a silent night, holy night. All is calm, all is bright. Madalundong kitang kuweba na ning bilen. Nung rin niya mibay ing Ginoo. No trace of luxury, wealth, and opulence. And yet there was love. There was darkness and yet there was light. The light of Jesus. Amisang bulat, king dalumdum ning kasalanan. So we walk in the light of Christ. We walk in the light as children of God. What a beautiful scenario in Bethlehem. There was Jesus, there was Mary and Joseph. They have Jesus, and it is more than enough for them to be happy. More than any wealth in the world, they have Jesus. That is enough. That is more than enough. Jesus, only Jesus, always Jesus. Sana po tayo makalingwa ni Jesus ngayon Pasko. Huli natin meto nga pamilya, sinalilang bilen, King SM. Kauli na biglat doon ang regalo, din kahon na rin tauhan ning Bethlehem. At suya'y Joseph, at suya'y Mary, at sula rin atlong hari, at sula rin bakang kontupa, at sula rin pastol. Pero ala Jesus, huling melakwan niya'y tangkahuna, karin King SM. Alam Pasko, nung ala Jesus, alam Pasko nung eta sinimba, ing diwaning Pasko, to be with Jesus, and to receive Him in Holy Communion. The God who walked with Israelites, the God who promised to be with us, is now the God who is in us. Huling tanggapan tayo, King Banal na Komunyon. Ing Diyos sa tanggapan tamo ka rin kikatang palad, at magpainaway ka rin labitam. And He will become a part of our being, the God who is in us in Holy Communion. My dear brothers and sisters, nga nga po seto, itakitala, ring libo-libong pamilya ang maging biktima ng bagyong Sendong, karinging CDO at Iligan City. Madalumdum at danupan ng Paskura, talupan na ng Niño Jesus, ayalang bali, may bait sa King Yukib, King Bundok, makanyan lalaman din kapatid tamong mesalanta, King Albugat Bagyo, ayat syungeni, karing evacuation centers. May lang meto nga bingot, ang mga ilangan lampin, himala na mo niya proteksyon at pali, king katawan dang makalgal, king takot at dimlang. Pangaditala, bangkanita kalupa na ning Ginoo, bagya-bagya, ayog nera ing matbuddang kabilyan, king kakalulwanang ning Pasko, karin king bilen. This is beautiful. Panalangin tala, bangkanita kalupa na ning Ginoo, bagya-bagya, ayog nera ing matbuddang kabilyan, king kakaluluan ning Pasko, karin king bilen. May we make a connection with the first Christmas in Bethlehem, where there is no luxury, but there is pure love, because God is with them. Let the poor say, I am rich, because we have the Lord, our God, with us. Ela magdili-dili, king karelang kasakitan. Jesus siya'y kakatamong Emmanuel, ing Diyos at tiyubusal tamo. Agkatanda kayo kapatad, kung makiramdam, ing ganakantala rin kapatad tamong, daralan, mabayad akasakitan. Once upon a time, aranasan tamo yung lupit at hagupit ning bulkang Pinatubo. Demayan da katamo, den kapatad tamong Pilipino, may bangon niya yung minalin, may bangon niya yung Pampanga, kinsaw, dareng kabalen tamong Pilipino. So pantara sana rin kapatad tamo, kapamilataning donasyon at pinansyal, maging malang ko sana lo, kingkiratamo second collection, potang kayari ning communion. Jesus sa tatanggapan tamo, king banal na komunyon. Yan naman yung kapatid tamo, magkasakit, karin king CDO and Iligan City. Sana so pantala, at maging malam tamo, karin tamong second collection. Sinabi ning anghel karing pastol, eko tatapot. Hulingin ning aldoyti, mibait siya para kaya kayo, ing talapagligtas. Yapi ni Kristong ginutang, o ining maging tanda para kaya kayo. Agit siya meto mabingot, ang makabalot ka ring lampin, at makakiraya king metong alalabangan. Ing lalabangan, yung kadwang tanda ning pangabait ning Ginoo. Ing lalabangan, lulananin ning pamangan, ding bakat tupa. It is the rallying point of animals like sheep and oxen, because they have to eat. King metong at lalabangan. Now, our rallying point as children of God, a community of believers, our rallying point will be the lalabangan. Lalabangan king Bethlehem, banal na Eucharistia, altar ng misa, kiniking kakatamong pisamban. Bangketa yang at nakatamo ng Diyos, kitang mata sa kabilyan, ing estado na rin anak ng Diyos. Potang yung animal mamangan niya, dudukuya. Daralani kasbuk na king pamanganak. Pero itamong anak ng Diyos, ning mamangan tamo, ing pamangan, yang darala tamo kinasbuk tamo. Huling pamangan na yan, yang pagkabye tamo, at yangat nakatamo. Kitang mata sa dangalan, at mata sa uring pamibiyebye at pamiisip, daring anak ng Diyos. My dear brothers and sisters, dapat ating aliwang sangkan, bakit daranot ng lalo din kalulu, ding eksperto king pinansya at leader ng ekonomiya, pamarsalanan dala rin bangko, international, kaniting global, financial crisis. Apag kasakitan dang daralanan ng Amerika at ng Europa, itong financial problem, ngarang mga mano, iba't siya king corporate greed. Corporate greed affects poverty at kakaluluan, karengaliwang tao. Kasariman ding international bank, hakalimuan da, ing karelang responsibilidad, social responsibility, para king tao, mga biyayan lang marangal, agpangking karelang dignidad, antimong anak ng Diyos. We have a solution to corporate greed. At in tamang Sacred Heart, Minalin Compassion Center, laban king corporate greed. We will be doing charity and compassion toward one another. Etamo sana sa sarilinan, ingrasyang binyan ng apong Ginoo. Let our corporate institution, apong Monica de Minalin, Mipolco, Mupra, and other establishment, give to charities and compassion. Let us fight war, wage war on corporate greed. Nung ka rin, balo taming kakatamong social responsibility, ang mayayakit, kingge katamong compassion activity through the corporal works of mercy. Ing Diyos na buring gera, Enaburin danap, enaburin kakaluluan, sakit at pamanyira, king kapaligiran. Dapat yung solusyon, abinyena, aliwain teknolohiya, siyensya, o komersyanti, efficiency na rin komersyanti. Ing binyan ang solusyon ng Diyos, ing lugod na karing tao. O yan ang solusyon. King problema tamo, lugod kaparang tao. Iting lugod ay iti, yang salang saslag, king malati ng kuweba ng Belen, king aldo iti, munta tamo Belen, at matayimtim tamong samba, harapan ng Ginoo tamo, banakatampibla sa napuso, dinanbayong espiritu, at tanggapan ng regalo, ning kababanlo, at simpleng pamibiyebye, anting disipulo na. Ipayabot ko kaya ko nga ning tunay masaya, magrasya, at makabaldugan na Pasko, at banal, abayong banwa. Hingga kong malating talasuyo, Pasyano Bianiceto Didi, Arsobispo ng San Fernando, Pampanga.